All over the world, cities reflect their communities. It's where people are proud to live, work, and welcome visitors. Unfortunately, large population density creates an overwhelming amount of waste that pollutes our parks and streets. That's where we come in. Exprolink is the only North American manufacturer of outdoor cleaning and maintenance vehicles licensed under the MADVAC and EXCELWAY brands. Thanks to our vehicles, we can optimize the cost, efficiency, and sustainability of city maintenance while reducing our impact on the environment. As a proud Quebec-based company, we've built our headquarters right here in the Greater Montreal area. We also have one office and 3 sales offices in the United States, all backed by a strong distribution network. Our products have proven themselves across the world: Montreal, Dubai, Toronto, Los Angeles, and even Barcelona. With a rich history, Exprolink's 2 brands have been strategically developed over the past 35 years to position themselves as leaders in their field. Motivated by progress and eco-efficiency, we've launched a long-term $30 million investment plan that aims to broaden and modernize our operations by significantly expanding our facilities, purchase state-of-the-art ergonomic equipment, and provide a modern work environment focused on well-being. Our VEV program has already introduced the fully electrified MADVAC product line. It's also developing the world's first multi-purpose electrified fleet with our EXCELWAY vehicles, of which we're extremely proud. But that's not all. Exprolink plans to further its development by also focusing on telemetry, waste collection solutions, and semi-autonomous and autonomous vehicles. All our efforts are aimed at building a cleaner, greener, and more responsible world. Thank you for believing in us.